The risk for Gadgeteer is great here also. It's leaning a lot and really rotten. So time for a short creek update. We have the wasabi plants. How many have survived the summer? Then we will see during the winter, but the first step is now. It's the end of the summer and we should look at how many has survived. Then we have the crayfish. Is the crayfish still alive? And of course, general the cleanup. How has it worked out? Is the creek area looking better? Is the access better? And so on. So let's see. First, the wasabi plants. We have one over there. The other one was there, it's gone. And the third one, the one that the dog got hold of, didn't count on that surviving, but it's gone. So we have one plant here, still alive. And then we have the other location where I put the plant, maybe a couple of meters upstream. And yes, that's alive also. In total we have 2 plants that have survived. And then the crayfish. They are night living creature. So we have some night footage here. So it's still alive and happy. And the general area, yes, it looks much better, I think. It's still shady. It's a lot more accessible and nicer. And oh, here we have a problem. We have a problem here. Actually, one of the trees I put up a bird nest in has fallen over, and it's hanging on tree. Oh, it's hanging very precarious. This has to be taken down. I will try to remove the bird's nest first and then take this down. But that has to be taken down. It's dangerous. Okay, a little bit change of plans, but we will do that. Oh, very carefully now. Trying to get this down without the tree falling down. Are there anyone home? So somebody has actually used this year, but it's empty now. I'll take this out. So now it's ready for the next year. Oh, that's one ready for next year. sometimes do now is to slide away on this pin here. Without getting knocked over. See if I can make it walk over. Come on. Whoops. Not super far away actually, I think. Oops. So close, so fucking close, so close. Oof. Come on. Whoa! Made it. It's down. Whew. Yes. I have to take the other side of the tree also because it's totally rotten inside. If you look at it here. So I have to take that also. Okay, I have to take this one down too. So the risk for Gadgeteer is great here also, as it's leaning a lot and really rotten inside. So I have to be aware of that. Hopefully it's falling down. Okay, and not to get stuck as the other one. Go away. Yeah, garbage here, but not as bad as it could have been, of course. Just has to be close. Yes. Ah, come on. I consider that to be down. Ooh. So that's the status. So that's the status of the creek area. A tree, one side of it has blown down halfway, leaning dangerously over the road, and the other one, yeah, it's down now. It was a rotten stump, so it has to go. I have it down safely on the ground now, so I will call that a success. So, to cap up, wasabi, 2 plants alive, bird nests used, bat box, I don't know. I haven't noticed any trace or anything, but yes, the crayfish alive and well. Follow me to see more of this creek area and how it evolves over the years. I think I'm up to a good start, getting a good path here. So that's all from Gadgeteer Farm. See you the next time. Goodbye.